important that you can hand draw ionic bonds. It's a step-by-step process that we just follow through no matter what ionic bond they give us to draw out. So let's start with something really simple. Let's take lithium chloride. The first thing we need to do is identify what atoms have formed ions to make lithium chloride. In this case, we've got lithium and chloride. The next thing you need to do is think about what group they're in, or how many electrons they have in their outer shell. Lithium is in group 1, so it has 1 in its outer shell. Chlorine is in group 7, so it has 7 in its outer shell. From there we can work out the valency. In other words, how many electrons does it have to give away or gain in order to get a full outer shell? The valency of lithium is 1, because he has to give away 1 electron. The valency of chloride is also 1, because he needs to gain an extra 1. We can see straight away, if the valency is 1 and 1, then the atoms will react in a 1-to-1 ratio, so you'll have 1 lithium for every 1 chloride. Therefore, our chemical formula for lithium chloride is LiCl, lithium chloride. So how do we draw those out? The first thing we need to do is draw a circle to represent lithium. Draw another circle to represent chloride. We know that they're ions, so the way that we show people in chemistry that these are ions, not atoms, is we draw them in square brackets. We also put the charges at the top. Lithium has given away 1 negative electron. Therefore, it has a +1 charge. Chlorine has gained 1 electron. Therefore, it has a -1 charge. Now we draw only the outer shell electrons only. Lithium has given 1 electron to chloride. I'm going to put the 1 that lithium has given away already on the chloride. I am then going to fill up lithium's outermost shell. Seeing as it's given 1 away, it's only got 2 in its outer shell. It's got a full outer shell. It's happy. Chlorine had 7 of its own before it gained 1 from lithium. I don't want to get confused between the electrons that started with lithium and the electrons that started with chlorine, so I'm going to choose something different. I chose crosses for lithium, so I'm going to choose dots for chlorine. I'm going to place in chlorine's original 7. Now I can see that chlorine has a full outer shell. It's become a chloride ion. Here is lithium chloride.